Good morning to all the beautiful people out there. How are you feeling today? I hope you all are feeling fresh today. So, welcome back my students in your own class. English is fun. Students, do you watch dreams? Yes, ma'am. Everyone loves dreaming. Students, do you know? मेरी अम्मी हमेशा यही कहती रहती है कि कोई भी ड्रीम देखो तो उसे पूरा जरूर करो. She always say, follow your dreams. So, I went back to sleep because ड्रीम्स तो स्लीप करते टाइम ही देखते हैं ना. मैम, आप बहुत फनी है. अरे, मेरे स्टूडेंट्स भी तो बहुत फनी हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, do you remember something in my video number 8? Yes, I have asked to take the names of the students, those who have sent me the poem. So, the name of our superstars are Arav, the student of 2nd B, Umar, the student of 2nd A, Manvi Dubey, 2nd C, Yuvika, 2nd B, Jayesh, 2nd C, Aradhya Yadav, 2nd C, Vartika, 2nd C, Sharif, 2nd B, Anvi, 2nd C, Tejas, 2nd A, Aradhya Dubey, 2nd B, Kanha, 2nd A, Parth, 2nd A, Harim, 2nd A, Aradhya Singh, 2nd C, Manvi, 2nd B, Sonam, 2nd A, Swasti, 2nd C, Vibhav, 2nd A, Shazen, 2nd C, Kritika, 2nd C, Arohi, 2nd D, Abhinav, 2nd B, Zaya, 2nd B, Samya, 2nd A, Aradhya Pathak, 2nd B, and Siddharth of 2nd A. These students have shown that they are very talented and brilliant. Give a big round of applause to them. Students, do you know? Today I am so happy because now I am getting your work regularly. Keep it up, my children. Students, in previous video, we have learned about picture composition, and in that video, we have also learned the rules before attempting the picture composition. In today's video, we will learn something similar to and that is picture comprehension. Students, now you will say that कि मैम ने previous video में कुछ इसी तरह का टॉपिक टीच किया था, बट आज के वीडियो में आखिर ऐसा क्या सिमिलर एंड क्या डिफरेंट है? स्टूडेंट्स, पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन में हम पिक्चर को ऑब्जर्व करके एंड उस पे सेंटेंसेस राइट करते हैं. रूल्स for picture composition and picture comprehension are same. The only difference is that picture comprehension में हम पिक्चर को ऑब्जर्व करके उसके क्वेश्चंस को अंडरस्टैंड करके उसका आंसर देते हैं, and we answer all the questions by following the rules. Here are the rules that are similar to picture composition. Rule number 1. Observe. So students, we have to observe the picture very carefully. Rule number 2. Point out and identify the things and objects given in the picture. Try to know what are the things given in the picture and what are the ideas given in the picture. You should also try to know कि picture में आखिर क्या हो रहा है. Now rule number 3. So, rule number 3 is not just frame sentences but also try to understand कि questions में picture से related आखिर क्या पूछा जा रहा है. And then rule number 4. Check errors. After answering all the questions, you should check your mistakes so that आपके marks deduct ना हो. So, here is the most awaited part of this video. Ta-da! Here is a picture. Now, let's try to understand the questions and answer it. So, our first question is, who are there in the picture? So, student, let's observe the picture very carefully and try to know the answer. Answer is, animals are there in the picture. अब आप देख सकते हो कि पिक्चर में ह्यूमंस नहीं बल्कि एनिमल्स ही शो हो रहे हैं. Now our next question is, name the animal with the long neck. Now students, again you have to observe the picture very carefully and आपको ये बताना है कि किस एनिमल की लॉन्ग नेक है. Let's try to know the answer. Answer is, giraffe is the animal with the long neck. Here is the giraffe. Now our next question is, who is having a long nose? So, let's try to find out the answer by pointing out. Here we go. An elephant is having a long nose. So let's point out an elephant in the picture. Yes, your answer is right. Now our next question is, which animal is more happy in the picture? Now students, let us observe it very carefully. Well, all the animals are happy, but हमें ये पता लगाना है कि सबसे ज़्यादा happy इस picture में कौन है? So, we have got the answer. Monkey is more happy in the picture. Now, our next question is, how many animals are there in the picture? So, let's point out the animals and count it. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, our answer will be, there are 7 animals in the picture. So, now students, according to rule number 4, let's check whether our answers are right or not. Question number 1, who are there in the picture? Answer we have written, animals are there in the picture. Question number 2 was asked, name the animal with the long neck. We have written, giraffe is the animal with the long neck. Third is, who is having a long nose? So we have written, an elephant is having a long nose. Next question is, which animal is more happy in the picture? We have written, monkey is more happy in the picture. Fifth question is, how many animals are there in the picture? We have mentioned there are 7 animals in the picture. So, our answers are 100% correct and it has no errors. So, our picture comprehension is ready to submit. Now students, it's time to practice a picture comprehension. So, my dear students, listen the instruction very carefully. Look at the picture carefully and answer the questions that follow. So students, here is the picture to practice. Observe it very carefully. Now, let's see what are the questions that are asked from that picture. Question number 1 is, what does this picture show you? That means ये picture आपको क्या show कर रही है? Second is, name the planet with ring. अब जिस planet का ring है, आपको उस planet का name write करना है. Third is, who are standing there in the picture? अब picture में कौन stand है? Fourth is, how can you go to space? अब आप space में कैसे जा सकते हो? Fifth is, do you also wish to go in space? Why? That means, क्या आपका भी मन करता है space में जाने का? अगर करता है तो yes लिखना, अगर नहीं करता तो no. Yes के लिए भी आपको ये बताना है कि आपको क्यों जाने का मन करता है. And if no है आपका आंसर, तब भी आपको बताना है कि आपको क्यों नहीं जाने का मन करता. That's it for today, kids. Till then, do your best. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.